Hi, my name is Luis, and I'll be trying out the Microverse coding challenge. Guess I'm sharing my screen now. Let's go through Hackerrank and try the first challenge, which is called Solve Me First. In this challenge, I have to return the sum of two integers. So as the hint says, just return a plus b. Let's try the second one, which is called grading students. The challenge is basically the following. Any grade less than 40 is a failing grade. And if the difference between the grade and the next multiple of 5 is less than 3, round the grade up to the next multiple of 5. If the value of grade is less than 38, then it will be a failing grade. So if it's 29, doesn't matter. If it's only 1 to add 30, which is a multiple of 5. If it's under 38, it's a failing grade. So grade is an array. A few more examples here. So first of all, let's create an accumulator, which is going to be called final grade. Final grades actually. Let's iterate through this array. Let's create a variable to store each grade. So this is going to change as the for loop iterates through the array. So if grade is less than 38, then we just push it to the final grades array without doing anything to it. So no rounding occurs, we just add it to the array. If the number is a multiple of 5, so if array, actually no. The result of the division of grade by 5 greater or equal to 3, which is this case right here, it's going to be 3. We round it and add it to the accumulator array. So in order to round it, we get the grade, we get 5, and we subtract this number right here. If it's not represented in the cases above, we just add it to the array without doing anything. So, and we have to return final grades. Return final grades. Let's run the code. Okay, submit the code. All right, so it was accepted. Next one is going to be sock market. So John works at a clothing store. He has a large pile of socks that he must pair by color for sale. Given an array of integers representing the color of each sock, determine how many pairs of socks with matching colors there are. For example, there are n equals 7 socks, so n is going to be the number of socks. And there is going to be an array of numbers representing each sock. So if there is a match, then we have a pair. If we don't, then we don't count. So colors of each sock, so R represents the color of each sock. So if one is red, so we have 2 reds, and 2 is blue, we have 1 red and 1 blue, so 2 pairs. This is the input, the number, and colors. So, first thing that we have to do is sort the array. I'm trying to use ES6 syntax as much as possible to get used to it. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm trying to get used to it. So let's return the sorted R to check if it worked. So it worked because we have a sorted array. Okay. So basically you have to iterate to it, and if this one and the next one are the same, are equal, then I have to add one to the accumulator. So we have to create an accumulator. Let's call it pairs. Going to be equal to 0. For loop. So this is something to pay attention to, because since we're going to compare I and I plus 1, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, there are 9, we can't use this number 9 because an array starts from 0, from index 0, so there would be actually 8. The count would be 8 if we put like array.length. This would be this length of, actually it would be a length of 9, but it starts counting the index of 0. So that's why you have to take 1 from this number. So it's like 0 and 1, 1 and 2, 2 and 3, 3 and 4, 4 and 5, 5 and 6, and whatever. So let's continue. 9 plus plus. And let me create a variable called sock, which is going to be sorted array HI. And then another one that's going to be to be compared. To compare, it's going to be sorted R I plus 1. So if sock equals to compare pairs 1. I'm going to add 1 to the pairs, and I would have to return pairs. And there's a wrong output. My counting is higher than the answer. And why is that? So let's debug it. So through each individual iteration, the pairs is added 1. I'm going to console log this to see the value. So run the code. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8. So in the first iteration, number 0, sock is equal to 10, and to compare is equal to 10. So number of pairs equals 1. And then, which would be this one. And then the second iteration, sock equals to 10, and to compare equals to 10. And number of 10, 10, 10, 10. So if you see here, we have 3 iterations that counts 10, but there should be only 2 because we have only 2 pairs and not 3 pairs. And the same is happening to the number 20 because it's doing something like first iteration 10 equals 10, okay, and then in the second iteration comes this array number 1 is equal to array number 2. Yes, it is equal, but we have already counted this one. So every time there is a match, we should add 1 to it. So we have to add 1 to I. So if we run it, then we can see that in the first iteration the number is 10 and the second number is 10. So there's only 1 pair. And then it jumps right to the 0, 1 to the index 2. And then this one right here, this to compare, goes straight to number 3. So 10 equals 10, and then there's 2 pairs. And if you see here, we have three numbers that are equal, 2 equal numbers in a row. So the first iteration compares 20 to 20, and the next iteration compares 20 to 30, as it should be. So that's why we're going to submit the code. Okay. No problem. Let's move on to the counting values. So Gary is an avid hiker. He tracks his hikes meticulously, paying close attention to small details. For every step he took, he noted if it was an uphill or downhill. Gary's hikes start and end at sea level, and each step up or down represents a 1 unit change in altitude. We define the following terms. A mountain is a sequence of consecutive steps above sea level, starting with a step up from sea level and ending with a step down to sea level. A valley is a sequence of consecutive steps below sea level, starting with a step down from sea level and ending with a step up. Given Gary's sequence of up and down steps during his last hike, find and print the number of valleys he walked through. So, if it starts with a step down, ends with a step up, and it's sea level, then it's a valley. The S is a string, N is the number of steps. So this is the representation. This is sea level. This would be 0. There's 1 up and 1 down. Then we are at sea level. So we have to split this string. So I'm gonna call it steps. Going to be equal as dot split as dot split return steps u d d d d d. Let's iterate through this array. Actually, let's create two variables, one called values, which is going to be equal to 0, and another one is going to be called level, which also is going to be 0, for let I equal 0, I less than dot length. So we have an array called steps, so every step is going to be represented by this variable. So step equals u. So step equals u. Let's use some ternary operator here. So step equals u if so. If step equals capital U, then level is going to be level plus 1. Otherwise, level equals level minus 1. Right. Then check to see if level equals 0 and step equal capital U and values to be equal to values plus 1. So return values. Your code. Okay, let's submit it. And it passed all test cases. So thanks for the opportunity. And I'm sorry I wasn't able to do this hangout last week because I thought I had set up the YouTube for this transmission, but it turned out that I wasn't able to stream it. So that's why I'm doing like it was the first time I did it, but I actually did the tests last week. Okay, so thank you for your patience and thank you for your attention. I hope to see you soon.